love to visit Burj Khalifa for some. I mean, it's the world's tallest building on earth. Wait. Whew. A 3D printed Burj Khalifa. Hashtag daily prints. What on earth is hashtag daily prints? This is a TikTok challenge that I created. In this challenge, I'm going to be 3D printing something and sharing that on TikTok. But I'm going to be doing that every single day. Each week, I'm going to be trying to stick to a theme. For example, if the theme is architecture, I'm going to be 3D printing things relating to architecture. So buildings, structures, stuff like that. If you guys want to see more of the challenge, make sure to go and follow my account.